Hey there, it's Crystal with Coffee Grind Gossip. Okay, let me get to this. We're gonna make this this cough medicine that I've been seeing on YouTube. It's the honey and the onion mixtures. So we're gonna try that out. I heard it's pretty good. And I did my garlic and honey last week. So come on, let's do this. Oh, and I'm so glad I'm feeling better. I was a mess yesterday. Had to leave work. Was not feeling good at all, but enough of that. Let's go. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to pour this honey over it and cover it up. And always remember, sterilize these jars when you do make recipes like this. And same goes for your lids. Okay, so that's what we're looking like. I'm going to pour a little bit more honey, but I'm also going to add a pinch of cinnamon because I'm extra like that. Not too much, just a pinch. And I'm going to stir this up. Okay, and then I'm going to let this sit for a few hours. Okay, then we'll have some cough syrup. Okay, as you can see here, it's like about almost 6 o'clock in the morning. And got a nice little liquid here. So what I'm going to do, I got my strainer ready here. And this is the bottle I'm going to put my cough medicine in, cough syrup. Okay, so let me go ahead and strain this out. After I strain this out, I'm going to chop these onions up a little bit, and I'm going to put them in my bag and freeze them. I refuse to waste these onions. I see a lot of videos on how to make it, but nobody tells you what to do with the onions. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. Actually, it smells pretty good. Y'all see that? Notice how thinner. There's a cough syrup. Now, you can always add a teaspoon of this in some tea and add lemon or ginger, whatever you want to add to it. But this is the base here. So let's go ahead and put these, save these onions. So I'm going to take these onions, bag them up, put them in the refrigerator, and I'm going to actually use them for later on. You can use it for probably salad, stir fry, beans. You could, if you cut it even more finer, you can almost make pretty much an onion relish. So we're going to save these onions. Got my bag ready. And there you have it. Okay, got our cough syrup. Okay, got a little cinnamon in it. And these leftover sweet onions. I mean, they're really sweet. And we're just gonna bag them up and put them in the refrigerator and use them for different dishes. And there you have it. Coffee Grind Gossip. Remember now, we're saving money, stretching this food out. And on that note, here's some great health benefits of honey. So take time out and study that. Very, very great. And remember the most important things. Please do not give children under 2 years honey. Okay? Here's benefits of onions, whether it's red or yellow onions. So there's take that into consideration as well. And thank you so much. And I will be chiming in talking about the benefit of bartering in this economy. Till then, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.